Ito kakapsat mga bunsoy. Ito yung balat mismo ni Lolo. Ito yung balat niya. Yung sa baba, di ba yung skeleton? Ito yung balat. Ito yung balat mismo ni Lolo. Skeleton niya nasa baba. Ito yung balat. Ayan. Haba, ano? Lolong. Haba talaga, no? Laki talaga ni Lolo. Laking buhaya pala talaga to. Ito yung balat pa lang to, no? Yan, Lolong. This is the taxidermine skin of Lolong, a large adult male Indo-Pacific crocodile. Lolong was captured on September 3, 2011 from a tributary of Agusan Marsh on the island of Mindanao in the village of Nueva Era. Bunawan, Agusan del Sur pala. Lolong is the largest crocodile that was ever caught from the wild, having a total length of 6.17 meters, 20 feet and 3 inches, and weight 1,075 kilograms, 2,370 pounds. Grabe, no? The crocodile died in Bunawan on February 10, 2013, and the remains arrived at the National Museum in Manila on July 4, 2014. Ito yung balat ni Lolong. Balat ni Lolong kakabsat. Mapunta lahat. Grabing haba pal talaga. Haba ni Lolong. Yeah, out na natin.